Hi there, I'm Alina Z, raw vegan chef and health coach, and I'm here to share with you my Z tips on how to make cream of tomato and pesto soup. We're going to make it quick, we're going to make it easy, and we're going to make it delicious. We will start with putting our soup ingredients in the blender. We'll need about 2.5 tomatoes, and you see I only cut them in halves because the blender will do all the work. Then we'll need about a cup of macadamia nuts, and they're soaked, so put them in there. About a half a cup of soaked sun-dried tomatoes. It's important to get the sun-dried tomatoes that are dry, not in olive oil, and then you soak them. Then we'll give it a little zing, we'll dress it up, accessorize our soup, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and then we will put about 1 teaspoon of some high-quality sea salt with some good minerals. And then we'll let the blender do all the work. You'll need to process it for about 1 minute. And all we need to do is pour it into a big bowl. And then if you want, you can always add more water if you want it less creamy, if you want more water consistency. This is really, really creamy. And what I will do, I will actually use the same blender for the pesto, and it will pick up a little bit of the flavor from the soup that's left over. But you know what? When you're eating it anyway, you're going to have it all mixed up in your mouth, so it's not a big deal. But this way we'll save time and energy on cleaning this blender. And the ingredients of the pesto are very, very simple, and we'll also put them right here. About 1/2 a cup of macadamia nuts. Now, you can use cashews as well. It's up to you. It depends on your budget and your personal preference. I have about 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I have about, and again, see how you like it. If you want more lemony, if you want less lemony, I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we'll need a 1/4 cup of water to mix it all up. We'll have about 1/8 of a cup of pignoli nuts, of pine nuts. They will actually give it a nice pesto flavor. And then we will have our basil that will mix up. Once this becomes all nice and liquidy, we will add the basil to chop it up. So let's first get our pesto nice and creamy. So put your pesto in the middle of your soup. Making a mess here, but you know what? Life is messy. And life is delicious, and so is this soup. We're going to try it right now. It's great for the summer. Has really nice taste and texture. Enjoy. Cheers to your health.